Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select wallpaper. Here tap on My Wallpapers. And in this menu we have a list of wallpapers we can use. Let's select one, for example, this one. And now we can choose to apply it on home screen, lock screen, or lock screen and home screen. Let's select the first option, for example, home screen. Then tap on Set on home screen. As you can see, wallpaper applied to home screen. Let's go back to our home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. We can also change it another way. To do it, press and hold on the free space on home screen. This menu will appear. Here we can tap on wallpaper. Again, tap on My Wallpapers. Select the one you like. Tap on one of the options. And then tap Set on home screen or whatever option you chose. And as you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.